To edit the things you've written in Microsoft OneNote, you use the Draw tab, okay, and your mouse, especially your mouse. You use the pen to write, okay. For example, you have 50 kobo and so on. So I advise your hand should be on the undo button, the Ctrl Z key. You can use your Ctrl Z to erase what you have written last. For example, if you have 24:6, I don't need that 6. I just press Ctrl Z and write it again. You can see that. That's it. See it? So it's better. It's faster when you're editing. Just use your Ctrl Z. Let your Ctrl Z be on the standby. Like your Ctrl Z. Okay? Be on standby. So that if you write something that's not good, you can just undo it. And apart from that, if you want to edit what you've written before, you go to use your mouse. Click on the Draw tab there. You can see it. Okay? On the Draw tab. If it's lasso, that's it. That's lasso. If I want to move this whole triangle, I can just click like this. You can see it. Press and drag when you're using the lasso tool. You release. After that, you can now move it. You can see that. You can move it. See that. For this, see, you can see that. Then you can use this lasso tool. It's for you to select precise object. For example, if I want to use this 5x, I want to remove from here, I can just use drag around it. Okay, that's it. And you now move and carry it from there. Okay, see, Ctrl Z, undo. Okay, then you want to erase. See on the Draw tab there. Okay, click on this. I pick this last one. Stroke eraser. That's it. See it. That's to erase. That's to erase. Then Ctrl Z. Okay, good. Now another thing you want to do is to move or delete a given area at the same time. So you use Draw. Click on this tab. Okay, Draw, type here. Click on type here. Then you press and drag. Whatever it selects all of them at once. Can you see that? You can move. You can move it anywhere. See? You can move it around. Okay. Then you can see this table I've drawn here. This table is actually from Microsoft Word. So when you get here, you take whatever you want from Microsoft Word, resize it, then you start typing into it. Okay. Ctrl Z, undo again. Okay, that's it. So that's how to edit objects. If it's a line, for example, you can see this line. That's it. You can move it anywhere and so on. If you want to make multiple copies of it, you just select it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, bring it back, go there, take it back, and you start arranging it how you want it. Okay, that is it. That's how to edit objects. For text, you know how to do text. Just type, just click, go to Draw. Okay, click on this type. You see A there. Click anywhere, and you start typing. Ctrl A, Ctrl Shift, greater than sign. You bring it up, make it bigger. You can see that. I click there. Ctrl A, I've selected everything. Ctrl Shift, greater than sign to make it bigger. See that? Then come here like that. Stretch it out. Yes, that's how to type. So you can type a lot of things. You can type. And the good thing about it is that if you have typed anything from Microsoft Word and you paste it here, it's just like you are still working on Microsoft Word package. Okay, so that's it. How to edit objects. You can move. You can see that. That's it. Carry. Just move it like that. Move it away. So it's very, very flexible. Microsoft OneNote is so flexible.